We are track record.
We are never finished.
Whoa, wait a minute. Just hold your horses. Before we start this video, me and Kevin just want to remind you that we are... Come on, Kevin.
Oh, sorry. I don't know. I didn't know I was supposed to come in.
We just wanted to remind you that our 10K meetup is coming up on December 8th. It's going to be at the Best Buy parking lot in Northridge.
Download the Octane app and RSVP to our event. It'll be right there on the map. And if you guys don't know, Octane is an app that allows you to see any local car meets in your area or in the whole US for that matter. Definitely recommend you check it out. And again, RSVP through the app to our event. So anyways, enjoy the video.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another never finished video.
We're actually going to a car meet today. Haven't heard of this car meet before, and sometimes
hopefully it doesn't get shut down. It's like in Los Angeles, like the heart of downtown LA. I've heard that people are even letting us drive their cars.
Where did you get all this information? I didn't hear anything. I just heard there was gonna be a car meet in LA.
The internet, dude.
You look it up? There's a name?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Let's head on over there, right? Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Let's go check it out.
I don't know what we're gonna do there. Like I said, we have no idea what's, you know.
We're just gonna have some
like
fun.
These are some OZ wheels, some ounce wheels. I just learned from my colleague here that they're actually called OZ ounce because they weigh an ounce a piece.
Yeah, dude, look at that.
Pretty remarkable.
Actually, it says right there, 1 ounce racing.
Typical Mustang, man. Typical Mustang in a car meet.
Oh God!
They have those little holes in there. That's what these are for. Yeah.
You don't want to wake the neighbors and stuff, or else
As you're pulling your house away, as you're towing your mobile home down the road, you don't want to be waking your neighbors with your flamethrowing exhaust in your F-150. Sorry, FX4. You better get out of here. We're getting overrun.
YouTube, see and experience places you've never been.
I'm going to talk to this guy. Is this a new Hummer?
Basically, right? People didn't like Hummer.
No?
No, it's the Jeep pickup truck.
Oh, Jeep?
They finally came out with a new pickup truck.
Oh, really?
But like people were kind of bagging on it because like, Hummer came out with one that nobody liked it because like it looked very similar.
I thought it was going to be the new Hummer H4. What happened?
Yeah, I know.
It kind of looks like it from the front. Whatever.
Yeah.
Somebody can dream. I'll have a Hummer one day. Love Hummers, man. See ya.
There's some going on here.
Whoa!
Some blocks.
That's that like 2002 AMG wheels right there, dude. See that? That's dumb. How big are these things? Like 22s on this bad boy? It's a stretch too. They really went at it here. I like it. Works, dude. Stance.
This is a good open.
Oh!
Did you know?
No, I didn't at all. Dude, look at this. This is metal.
Watch out!
Whoa! What happened?
They're supposed to sense you.
I just saw it coming down.
Oh, thank you. You saved one of us.
It didn't sense you until it hit you.
Wow.
That's kind of shady.
Oh, okay.
Blame him.
Blame him.
Yeah, it's
This
Jordan's
guy's-
fault.
Yeah, stop
Come on,
pressing
Jordan.
things. You don't know what they do, okay?
I wanted to see if it would sense you. They tried it last time.
You sabotaged us?
They tried it last time with a bunch of dogs in here, and then when they jumped out, it wouldn't shut. But I guess they don't care about people.
Yeah.
Should we try it? Wait, should we test this?
This should be the ultimate
This
test.
is the safest car, right? All those the safety. This is gonna. I feel like it's gonna hurt, but Jordan, do it. Okay, I'm gonna go down before it hits me. Oh, okay. All right. It didn't stop.
Yeah, you definitely would have died.
I definitely would die. Yeah. Volvos will
has to-
definitely take your head off. Like, look at how fast this is.
It has to hit you.
Like,
It's still going.
Come on.
I think if it senses any
It's a good amount.
Yeah.
You kind of have to push on it.
It'd give you a little
but
squeeze
it won't.
before it came out.
It's enough. It's enough.
It'll
to
give you a
injure
squeeze.
This is a real test. We gotta prove.
We might be doing some actual hard journalism.
This is journalism. Doing God's work right here. It's funny how we're like, it's 2018. We just assume that all of these cars have this feature. I mean, it should. It's an Infiniti, so.
That's a close is on you.
Apparently, we're the only people that actually experience this. They don't really think about.
It almost took my head off, dude.
Right, no, Jake.
The window was
you
like,
lean in. You lean in.
Get out. Get out.
The window was hitting my head like down.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, hop out.
And it didn't stop.
Because a real test situation would be if you're leaning in and you're putting like groceries in the back,
Yeah.
and then you're like, oh, somebody accidentally closes it.
Oh no, dude.
Oh,
You know?
oh, that
This
was less
one's
scary.
a lot better.
That was less scary,
A
right?
lot better.
It comes
I
down
like
a lot
this one.
slower.
This one stops way earlier.
It still gives you a little push though. Oh yeah, no, that's way lighter.
It does though. Yeah, this one's way more sensitive.
All right,
Dude, what
Infiniti.
goes in there?
Infiniti's doing it right.
They shouldn't have to tell you not to do this, but some person will do it.
Like us, we'll do it. I don't know about this guy. He's gonna see us do it.
Now this is Ford, so I don't know how much I trust this. Nah, actually,
That was.
almost better than the
Really?
Lincoln, than the Lexus. Yeah.
Oh, you mean the Infiniti?
Sorry, yeah, the Infiniti. This one is much safer. Okay, all right, never mind.
It's just a good goof. Just so many goofs. Just goofing it up.
So many goofs.
Suddenly,
All right, so you guys don't know this. Look at this. There he is. Right here. This is what look at him smiling because he knows.
he knows he's doing it
This
again.
whole day, Jordan just turns around. Me and Jake are looking in the car, and Jordan just turns around and
leaves.
walks away.
What I saw, I
Beeline.
wanted to
It doesn't tell us at all where he's going. We'll turn around, he's gone. Are these not the worst side vents of all time?
Definitely.
Like,
This is like straight out of AutoZone,
No,
right?
exactly. That's what I think of when I see those. We're gonna try to get, next time the camera comes up, we're gonna try to get the never finished logo on there.
You can kind of see it.
Turn around.
Yeah? That's sick. See how many non-car things we can do at a car show.
I'm about to get into this Porsche soundscape.
Navigation button on the right. Once you're done, just swipe the door.
Alright guys, so this is pretty sick. Alright, turn the dial to the right. Panoramic roofs, urban roofs.
In the boom of the gentle night is when I see trigger light. There come my hand, I start to fight, I start to fight.
I want to see his face when he comes out, his reaction. I've seen kids get out of this and their hair's all messed up and they're all sweaty.
If you have any other questions,
You look a little sweaty there, Jordan.
It is pretty lit today, dude.
what happened in there?
today, my name is Tiffany.
I told you guys, people are coming out sweaty and disheveled. Dude, your hair's a little messed up. This is Dubland. Dubland. This is Dubland. This is the true Dubland we got.
that Model X.
I envy that kid as a child. I envy him. All right, guys. So we did get a big. I think the only positive of actually coming down here is I just got hooked up with an entire detailing kit from Chemical Guys, and check this out. I gotta show you guys real quick. 5 bottles in here. There's a bunch of microfiber towels. I got the sprayer and the little filter on the bottom, the squeegee, and then this. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a gloss, washing gloss. Everything was $100. I couldn't pass up the deal. And that's gonna be the next video, is detailing, getting the WRX ready for the meet, which is next weekend.
So guys, that's a wrap up on the
That was a pretty good turnout on the car meet.
pretty crazy Los Angeles car meet.
So expect, we're getting ready for the our 10K meet. That's gonna be next weekend, this weekend. this Saturday, 3 o'clock, Northridge Best Buy parking lot. We will see you guys there. And we are never finished. And we will catch you guys in the next one.